Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the complex architecture of a modern vessel, fire doors serve as the vital defensive barriers that prevent the spread of smoke and flames between different zones of the ship. One of the most important components in this safety system is the solenoid release mechanism, which allows for the rapid and coordinated closing of these doors during an emergency. Understanding how the fire door solenoid release works and how to test it is a fundamental part of maritime safety training. Under normal operating conditions, fire doors in high-traffic areas like accommodation alleyways and main stairwells are often held in the open position to allow for the easy movement of crew and passengers. These doors are held open by powerful electromagnetic holders powered by the ship's electrical system. The solenoid is the heart of this holder, and it remains energized to maintain the magnetic grip. The moment a fire is detected by the ship's automated sensing system, or when a manual alarm is triggered, the bridge or the fire control station initiates a signal to de-energize these solenoids. Without electrical power, the magnetic field collapses and the heavy fire doors are released simultaneously. Gravity or mechanical door closers then pull the doors shut to create a fire-tight seal across the bulkhead. This synchronized action is crucial because it isolates the fire at its source and prevents the deadly movement of toxic smoke into escape routes. During a fire drill, the crew must practice the remote release from the bridge to ensure that every single door on the vessel responds correctly to the command. It is not enough for the door to simply close, it must latch securely to withstand the pressure of expanding gases during a blaze. A key part of the drill is checking the status indicator panel on the bridge, which provides a visual confirmation of whether each door is open or closed. If a door fails to release, it indicates a fault in the solenoid or a mechanical obstruction that must be addressed immediately. The crew also tests the local manual release button located near each door, which allows a person to close the door manually if they discover a fire before the main alarm sounds. This local control is an essential failsafe. Maintenance is a major focus during these exercises as the team inspects the solenoid's surfaces for rust or debris that could cause the door to stick. They also check that the door gaskets are intact and that the closing speed is adjusted correctly to prevent injury while ensuring a firm seal. If a door closes too slowly, it might not latch, and if it closes too fast, it could become a hazard to fleeing personnel. Every test of the fire door solenoid system is meticulously recorded in the safety logbook to ensure the ship remains compliant with international regulations. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.